In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an envelope in Docusign. Whether you're a seasoned Docusign user or just getting started, knowing how to void an envelope is an essential skill. Sometimes situations change or errors are discovered, and you need to cancel an envelope to prevent it from being completed. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Docusign's website. You can open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Once there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it. This will bring you to a page where you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you're new to Docusign, you might need to create an account first. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your electronic documents and agreements. Look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's very user-friendly. Now direct your attention to the navigation options. You'll want to find and select Agreements. This section contains all your current agreements and documents housed within Docusign. With the Agreements page open, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the envelopes that you've sent, received, or are pending your signature. Scroll through them to locate the specific envelope you want to cancel. Once you've identified the correct envelope, look for a small icon resembling three dots, typically referred to as the action menu. Now click on this three-dot icon. This will reveal a list of actions you can perform on the selected envelope, one of which is void. Voiding an envelope essentially cancels it, preventing further actions. Click on void. Docusign will ask you to confirm this action. It might be helpful to note that once an envelope is voided, all parties will be notified and no further action can occur with that envelope. Thus, make sure you are sure about your decision. After confirming, enter a reason for voiding the envelope. While this field might be optional, it's a good practice to provide an explanation, especially if your recipient might be expecting the document. A brief message explaining the void can prevent any confusion later on. And that's it, your envelope is voided. You will receive a confirmation message once this action is completed, and all parties involved with the envelope will be notified accordingly. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your documents and ensure smooth operations within Docusign. Thank you for watching and happy managing.